The Oculus app isn't necessarily the best solution for fixing Roblox's VR incompatibility. It could disrupt other VR experiences you might have and wouldn't guarantee Roblox would work in VR. Here's a breakdown. Uninstalling Oculus app. This might work if the Oculus software is conflicting with Roblox, but it's a blunt solution. You'd lose VR functionality entirely until you reinstall the app. Better solutions. Disable Oculus software. This is a much better approach. Completely shut down the Oculus software before launching Roblox. This allows you to keep the app installed for future VR use but avoid conflicts with Roblox. Alternative solutions. VR software settings. Explore options within your VR software that might affect compatibility, e.g., disabling experimental mode, adjusting tracking. Community workarounds. Look for unofficial VR experiences within Roblox or workarounds for your specific headset in online communities. Here's the takeaway. Disabling the Oculus software is the best initial step. If that doesn't work, explore VR software settings or seek community workarounds before resorting to uninstalling the entire Oculus app.